Hey guys, how's it going? This is the HelpfulLockPicker here. And the video I have for you today is the announcement of the winner of my 5,000 subscriber giveaway, so please stay tuned, and we'll get that announced in just a second. Alright, so let's announce the winner of my 5,000 subscriber giveaway. I just want to start off by saying, I've been trying to film this intermittently in between all the construction noise going on, but I have successfully given up. So you may hear some construction noise in the background, but that's okay. So what I first want to do is start off by going over again what the winner is going to be able to win, and then we'll go over who has won my 5,000 subscriber giveaway. I'd like to thank everyone again for all the support. I really appreciate seeing everyone that keeps this channel interactive and just really fun to run. I really enjoy all the comments and responding to all of them individually. And thank you again to everyone that has helped support this channel by subscribing, liking, sharing, clicking the bell, doing donations for my giveaways, helping give back by just being very active, donating through my PayPal link, and just really helping this channel be successful. So let's go over first what the winner is going to receive. So the first thing is this really nice pinning mat that was donated by Briarberry Cove. This mat really has everything that you're going to need to get started and be organized. It will really help you take apart your first lock and not lose anything, and it's just going to be a really great mat for someone that's first starting out. And then we're going to be able to use this mat with some of the stuff in the giveaway. I'm going to include this quick set key and knob cylinder lock that you'll be able to take apart and play with. Then I have this Schlage lock here as well. It is in the pick position because it doesn't come with a key, so you can easily get it apart. Just remember though that this one does not have a tail piece, so you're going to need to be very careful when it's picked because the cylinder will pop out, so I do have it taped in place. Then we're going to have a repinning kit with quick set key pins, and then it also has some standard driver pins, spool pins, and serrated pins, and also some springs. So this will be really great for you to play with your quick set and add some security pins to both the quick set and the Schlage lock. This will help you grow as a picker and get much better. Then in order to get the lock apart, I do have a plug follower and a set of tweezers. And then we have a beginner set of lock picks. These are pretty cheap lock picks, but they do a pretty good job and they're pretty inexpensive. And with just a little bit of final finishing, they can do a really great job. Then I have this lock here that is disassembled, and it's a little 4-pin lock, and you can just put it back together. It has all the pieces. A lot of this stuff that you see in front of us was donated by Briarberry Cove, and I just want to thank you so much for your fan-funded support. This really helps keep this channel going, and thank you so much for being able to keep these giveaways what they are today. I hope to have more in the future, and I just want to thank Briarberry Cove again. He's a really great guy, and he's been a huge support to my channel, and I thank you very, very much. So let's get on with announcing the winner here. So what I'm going to do is just do a little high-tech drum roll, and then we will announce the winner. So the winner of my 5,000 subscriber giveaway is going to be no other than Jimmy Brooks. Congratulations, Jimmy, on being the winner of my 5,000 subscriber giveaway. Just please send me an email through your Gmail that you use to log into YouTube so I can verify who you are, and we'll be able to get this out to you very soon. Just please send me your mailing address, and as long as you meet all the conditions to be a valid winner, you will be able to win. So, Jimmy Brooks, I'm going to give you 1 week to respond from today, and if we aren't able to get a response, we'll have to pick a secondary winner. But congratulations again to Jimmy Brooks. This is a really great giveaway, and I really hope you enjoy it, and I hope it helps you grow as a picker. That is all I have for you today, guys. This has been my 5,000 subscriber giveaway. Thank you to everyone that has been able to support my channel and just making it a lot of fun to run. So if you guys have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking it out, and I hope you all have a great day. And Jimmy Brooks, congratulations again on being the winner of my 5,000 subscriber giveaway. I still cannot believe I am here today. Thank you so much.